So, have you ever been in a position where you're making good money at a job, things are well, but you're still broke every 2 weeks? I'm quite sure that you guys may have experienced this because that was my problem. I remember my wife and I working our ideal jobs as young adults. We were making good money, going places and doing things, but man, every other Wednesday we were broke. And we kept trying to figure out, why are we broke? Like, we make enough money, things should be good, but in reality, we were in a rat race, and every other week we were broke. We were at a point where when we decided to get married, we were eating turkey sandwiches every day for 6 months to save up money to get married. Okay. That's called determination, right? However, what we did not know in this situation at that point back then is how to generate additional income while like working our full-time jobs. And at first we were like, well, I don't really want to go get a part-time job, that schedule and jumping into another job and having to be somewhere was just a lot for us. And at the time, we really didn't have the bandwidth to do that. So what did we do, and how did that work out? Well, now 11 years later and 9 years of being self-employed, we've learned how to generate money doing things that we love to do. That is one of the credible benefits of utilizing the advantage of being American. Say what you want to say about our country, but the ability for you to create a business and make money here is there's hard to compare to anyone else. That's why so many people are trying to get over to our countries. So if you're a person like how I was, working my 9 to 5 job, but every other week I'm broke because I just don't know how to make more money without getting another part-time job and I have to be somewhere. So if you've been in that type of situation, please click the link below. I have a free training class that will show you how we went from not making one income to having several different income streams, doing things that we love to do. And you can be that person working your 9 to 5 job, but also making money on the side, enjoying doing things that you love to do, or someone told you, hey, you should do this, you can make money. It is very important, guys, to be able to maximize your revenue streams and your income systems, but more importantly, to do those things that you love to do and make money doing them. My name is Nishan. I'm a real estate investor, entrepreneur, and financial coach. My team will show you all of these things and more during this free training class. Guys, I don't teach this class often, but I want you guys to bring a notebook and bring a friend. Man, everything requires a team, and we can be that team. Click the link below and let's go.